Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Brothers and sisters, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can set up WEKA with forecasting tools. Okay, so if this is your first time installing WEKA, please download the installer from my Ta'lim. And then once you have downloaded the installer, as what I have here. Okay, so once you have downloaded the installer, it will actually give you this pop-up window, okay, in which you just have to follow all the steps given. Okay, so once it is installed, click next, and that's basically the whole thing of installing. But if you open WEKA, let me just open the right, so it will pop up this message. Okay, WEKA has package manager that you can use to install many learning schemes and tools. I think some of you, if you don't get this, I would suggest to reinstall again. Perhaps you have missed something, but if you got this message, it is a good news that we can actually add the additional tools for our analytics. Okay, so click OK. So if you open the Explorer, you would have classify, cluster, associate, everything except forecast. In my case, because I have installed earlier, so I have this forecast now. But if you don't have one, what you need to do is to go to this window, and then click on tools, click on package manager. Okay, so it should load the window where you can actually get all the tools that is available from WEKA. So what you need to do, you need to key in the time series, or you can even just put forecasting. That would be a lot easier. Okay, so in my case I only have one since I already installed. Okay, so not sure whether you can see this, right? So this is what I have before I installed. So I have time series forecasting, right? So what I need to do, when I found this, I simply need to click install. So in your case, when you found this list, just click install, and then it will add the package to WEKA. Okay, so that's basically it on how to add the forecasting time series to your WEKA applications. Alright, that will be all, and let's proceed to our hands-on.